I'm Anita from Global Baby, and I'm going to show you today the Mutsy Nexo in this beautiful concrete melange colour, and I'm going to show you all the accessories that go with the Nexo too, because one of the things that I love the most about Mutsy as a brand is they design really good accessories. Okay, so firstly the Nexo, it is 9.5 kg, so lightweight but not super lightweight. For those extra couple of kg compared to a travel stroller, you're getting quite a few more features. For example, you get the adjustable handlebar, you get the generous basket, you get the bumper bar, you get the really good canopy. So it's kind of a step up from a travel stroller, but not quite a full stroller. It's good for people with lots of kids, so they don't have much room in the boot of their car for their, third or fourth child's pram. It's good for taking on holiday, and I know, it's just a cool little fun stroller. Okay, so Mutsy Nexo 4-wheel stroller. Obviously, you can lock those front wheels if you were going through, really bumpy ground. Otherwise, just keep them with the 360-degree swivel. You've got the toddler footrest at the front here, so you can lift it up for some leg support while they're sleeping, or put it down for the footrest. Really great recline. Awesome if you're on holiday. I've taken my Nexo with us all over the world. Babies slept in it, during the day, wherever we are. Totally comfortable in there. Another thing I love is that the canopy extends a lot. So when you're going on holiday to hot places, hopefully somewhere nice, little one's still in the shade. The fold. Okay. To fold it, we're going to put the handlebar in and lift these little pieces at the side here, fold it over and close it there. So it's really small, compact. If you want to put it in your garage, you can put it on its end like that so it doesn't take up so much space. If you're going on holiday in the car and you really don't have much room, then just snap off those wheels, and then super compact. If you are going on the plane and you want to take it on board, then one hack that quite a few of our customers have done, and I've done it as well, is you take off the front wheels and put them in the basket, or put them in your other piece of carry-on luggage, because without the front wheels it's around 7 kg, so fine, and it'll fit in the overhead on the plane. Total bonus. Now for the accessories, one thing that I love for winter is the foot muff, because no more blankets getting tangled up in the wheels, and it just looks nice, and you kind of almost get jealous of your baby in the foot muff there, because it just looks so comfortable. You just put it in here, and then there's the little slots, and you will take the harness, thread it through the slots. And so baby's still strapped in, still totally safe. Look at that. So that's the foot muff. Okay, next we're going to try the cup holder. I'm out of the Nexo cup holder at the moment, so this is an i2 cup holder, but the Nexo one's just a slightly different size. It'll clip on there perfectly. Take your cup, or even better, your water bottle. Okay, so this is the rain cover, and it has a zip on it as well. So when you extend the canopy, you can also extend the rain cover, so everything fits perfectly. This is a Nexo one, right? Velcro at the bottom that you can put around the footrest. For the foot muff, sometimes people ask us for the maximum age for the child, and it's kind of a matter of if the child still wants to go in there. they will find a way. My 4-year-old would try and squash it into the foot. So there is your rain cover. Now let's say you had the hood open underneath. You can extend the rain cover as well. Now there are 2 ways that you can use the Nexo from birth. One is by just adjusting in here. There are a couple of little domes and you just want to clip them together and it changes the angle of the seat, and you need to fully recline it for the newborn. And you adjust it in here. 2. So now we've turned that into a stroller that's suitable from birth, but baby is still facing away from you. So some people don't want to do that. They want baby facing them. That's cool. You can adjust, you can add the Maxi Cozy adapters and put a capsule on there. We would, in that case, we would put the seat upright, and here are the adapters. Snap them on. And grab a capsule. This is a Maxi Cozy Cabrio Fix. There are a lot of capsules that will fit on here, not just this one. So that's another super convenient option. I wouldn't do this if you were going out for a long time, then it's better to adjust the seat and have baby lying flat, but for short trips this is a really great option too. Okay, that's it. That's the Mutsy Nexo. The colour is Concrete Melange. Definitely one of my favourite strollers. If you've got any questions, then hit us up. We'd love to help you out. With Global Baby, we're at 161 Manuka Road in Epsom. Bye guys.